me ask you something. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you're just treading water? Like you can never get ahead, no matter how much you save? That's because the game is rigged, and no one ever told you the truth. Nah, a second job ain't the answer. And playing the lottery, man, that's just false hope. And the one thing that everyone swears is the holy grail, real estate. I gotta be real with you. That cat and mouse game ain't what you think it is. Landlording, you'll go crazy for scraps. You'll bust your butt, dump all your time and money into it, and after all the stress, maybe, just maybe, you're walking away with an extra $200 or $300 a month. That's it. Just ask any of these so-called real estate gurus who don't make it past their first rental. Most of these hustles, that's exactly what they are, a hustle. And when you're running down the street hustling, guess what? Eventually you get tired and you burn out. Here's the real truth that no one told you. If you don't learn how to make your money work for you, you'll spend your whole life working for money until one day you physically can't anymore. That's the sad truth. Then what? This right here, this is why you feel broke, even when you're doing everything right. Because every single year prices go up, and if your money isn't growing, you're actually losing money by letting it sit in a regular bank. Let me show you. Here's an inflation reality check. In the year 2000, gas was about $1.50 a gallon, and you could have gotten a full grocery cart by give or take like $50. Now, I'm not talking about y'all greedy folks, though. Then you come to the year 2025. Gas can be around $4 a gallon some places, and just 3 grocery items can cost you $50. I know you know what I'm talking about. You better learn to shop at Aldi's. I'm saying, if you had $1,500 in 2000, held on to it, and didn't invest it, today it would buy half of what it did back then. That's inflation robbing you. You see it? Do you see it? Or do I need to spell it out for you? If your money isn't growing, then you're losing every single year. Now, if you're in your 20s or 30s, you might not feel it yet. Oh, you will though. But when you're getting ready to hit 60, when you're about to soon live on a fixed income, it's going to hit you like a runaway freight train. Whatever you've saved in your bank, you're going to see that it's not been enough. And if you're already in your 60s, you feel it right now, today. The game was rigged from the start. Look, I get it. No one taught us this. Most of us learned about money from our parents, but they were just surviving too. Probably told you, go to work, save your money. Hey, honestly, they didn't know because their parents and so on didn't know. But life is more than just working and paying bills. In school, they didn't teach us how to grow money. They taught us how to be employees. So yeah, we're all set up to fail, but now you know. So what you gonna do about it? Because if you don't, one day you'll be stuck trying to survive off a fixed income. The way out? There is a way out. Actually, there are many ways out if you wake up. My favorite right about now? Compound interest. Free money and high yield savings accounts. But today we're talking about basic investing. And we're about to talk about M1 Finance, a platform that lets your money work for you. And no, they don't pay me to promote them. They pay me for having my money in M1 Finance making real gains. I make money through like dividends. Companies pay me. Fractional shares. I own pieces of Google, Pepsi, Nike, Amazon. Now, I'm not talking multimillionaire investments, just ones to keep me from working past retirement age. Growth. My money isn't just sitting, it's multiplying. Now don't get it twisted. I'm not some Wall Street brother telling you to trade stocks. I'm talking about setting yourself up so your money grows by itself. With M1 Financial, I even run my own Roth IRA with the ease of a 4th grader. Now, I know you heard the phrase, make money while you sleep, right? Well, I actually do. When I'm in the bed snoring at night, my money is multiplying, and yours can too. M1 Financial really works. You got auto investing, set it once, and it handles the rest. Fractional share, start with about $10. Dividends, get paid just for holding stock. And I know what you're thinking. This mindset, I don't know anything about investing, and I don't have the extra cash to invest. Well, that's exactly what the banks want you to think. Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo, they just love you. But you go out and get that quarter pounder with cheese on your lunch break at least several times a week, or you're making that DoorDash order, ain't you? Shoot, that eating out or ordering delivery meals is now costing you over $10 a pop, at least. That's your investment money right there, but you just pooping it out in the toilet, if you know what I mean. It's not about how much money you have. It's about how much money you're willing to stop wasting and put to work. No, you don't need to be rich to start, but if you don't start, you'll never get rich. Here's what you do. Hit that subscribe button because in the next few videos, I'm breaking down exactly how I use M1 Finance and how you can copy it step by step. Once you learn it, you're going to get to build a plan that works for you and on your budget. Not with thousands, but with tens and hundreds. But for now, understand this. It's not your money that's holding you back. It's your mindset. And once you fix that, you'll realize it's actually easy to prosper. So you should be using the M1 Financial platform. If you don't see the video I'm doing, look on the channel and find it. Or be sure to click it when it appears. I might just be slacking a little bit, but it'll be there. And don't sleep on it when you see it. Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you in the next one.